You want one? No, I can't be photographed with. It's because. No, it's because of a thing with the. You know, Viz magazine. Viz magazine own the fat slags. I'm not allowed to be. No, so I'm not allowed to be. It's actually. It's a copyright infringement. Of course I can get a photo with a fat slag. Come on. Jump in, I'll take it. Hasn't even stopped her. Go on, is it on selfie? There you go. Yoink. You cheeky twat. Turn around. Hey! What's the difference between a joke and three cocks? She can't take a joke. You're fucking adorable. Come on, stop it.